good topic for your new videos. If you find a good topic there, you can use it in your videos. If you want to use it but you don't know about the basics, how to engage the audience and how to make the videos longer, you must have the basics of the YouTube. You can simply watch my more videos to know how to engage the people, the audience, your videos, which who is watching your videos. Because when the people will engage in your videos, they will definitely the YouTube will definitely show your videos to more and more audience, and your channel will automatically grow in a very short time. So you have to make a longer videos, engaging videos, and select a select a topic from these tabs, because these tabs are the key of success, which will make you to grow easily in a short time. So this is the way you can find a best topic for your new videos. You can also watch it, search it, the topic on the Google, or go to the Google Trends tab. You can find also a best trending topic related to your channel on the Google Trends websites. There you can find, but this is the best and easy way which I just showed you. On Google you can find, but it is not easy like that, and you will not get that type of videos, because YouTube shows you the YouTube views and audience, but Google will show you all the Google's audience. You will get the trending topic for the Google audience, because mostly Google audience is not watching YouTube, so you will getting the wrong topic for your videos. So this is the best way to find the topic for your new videos. I hope you will understand all the steps I just said to you. If you get any problem in these steps, you can simply contact me or comment me in the comment section below. I will definitely help you and solve your problems which you are facing in these steps which I show you in the recent clips. So that is it for today, guys.